Exit out the vehicle for me.
Exit out the vehicle with the hands in the air.
Just put the phone down for us, please, so you don't get yourself hurt. Come back towards us. Any weapons on you? Get your hands away from your purse for me. Put them on top of your head.
It is.
Come over here. Back here. Over here. Check her down for me. You want to clear this? Yep. All right, let's roll. All right, we're good. Where's the key? Yeah, I'm looking for it. All right, I got it. Let me know when you're ready. I think he probably has the key. It ain't popping up.
Hey, Lee, out.
You want to put him in over?
Yeah, he's got his phone and a big stack of cash in his pocket.
So there are no weapons
Phone
on
in
you,
his
man.
back pocket.
Can you get that to my girlfriend, please?
As soon as we get a chance, all right? I'll get the money out of your pocket in a second. You got no weapons on you, right?
Nah.
It's ID.
Shy, I love you, bro.
I'll walk you.
Shy,
Come on.
I followed this officer right here.
Shy,
Come on.
I love you for real, bro. Can I get my girlfriend a kiss out, please?
You'll get it in a second. Come on, brother. You'll get it in a second.
Please.
You'll get it in a second, my brother. You'll get it in a second.
Why am I on the wrist, officer?
Look at the 6'7".
He's in custody with 6'7".